I guess I've always been a salesperson at heart. I never really used to like the process. I was probably an intuitive salesperson because I would be curious and ask questions and want to understand. Mid-20s, I got to a stage where actually I'm doing some quite big deals here, but the back end was falling. I was kind of overpromising and underdelivering from a, I guess, selling to delivering standpoint. I remember there was a week where I did what was called Hell Week. This guy called Ramit Sethi. How can you 10x your performance and get really uncomfortable? He was partnering with a Navy SEAL, and he was talking about, on Monday, how many press-ups do you think you could do in a day? Well, 200 or whatever. He was like, let's do 2,000. How long can you hold a plank? I don't know, 2 minutes? Let's do 21 minutes. Exponential thinking. This was me on my own, just internally with the business, right? But I think it's really pivotal because the next day there was questions of go for a walk with someone that knows you really, really well, personally and professionally. What can I do better? What balls am I dropping? And some very close friends told me that actually the process is rubbish. So it then became our mission for about 2 or 3 months. I basically interviewed everyone in the business I was working at, who were best in the departments. What do you do? And so that gave me an insight of they're not superhuman, they just have a framework. So that's where I got really interested in frameworks and systems. And then I probably became more of a systems salesperson and had the intuitive curiosity behind it. So that's kind of where the background comes from my sales background.